Protesters in India will continue till their 6 demands are met and Union Cabinet repeals the 3 farm laws. Indian Farmers Unions under Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, an umbrella body of over 40 farmer unions, has written to Prime Minister Narendra Modi listing their 6 demands, including the resignation and arrest of Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Ajay Mishra Teni, whose son has been accused of mowing down farmers in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri. The letter calls Mishra the mastermind of the shocking incident in early October. In the letter to the PM, the farmers have said that their protests were not just for the repeal of the 3 farm laws. Listing their other demands, they have said that the protests will continue till all their demands are met.
ये आंदोलन खाली 3 बिल पर नहीं है, इसके साथ में एमएसपी भी है, इसके साथ में बिजली अमेंडमेंट बिल भी है, इसके साथ में पुराली भी है। 2 चीज़ों पे पहले बातचीत हो गई थी उनसे। 3 बिल पे इन्होंने अब बात करी। अभी एमएसपी का सवाल रह गया। उसके साथ ही जो 1 साल से घटनाक्रम हुए हैं वो भी इसके साथ फिर जुड़े हैं, उन पर भी बातचीत होगी। 750 किसान हमारे शहीद हुए इस आंदोलन के दौरान। यहाँ पे बहुत पर्चे दर्ज हुए, केस बहुत हुए। लखीमपुर खीरी की घटना हुई। तो ये सारे जो मामले हैं ये उसके साथ में जुड़े हुए हैं। उन पे भारत सरकार बातचीत करें, एमएसपी को गारंटी कानून बनाए, ये इसी आंदोलन का हिस्सा है। ये सारे सवाल हमारे हैं और जब तक टेबल पे नहीं बैठेंगे, जब तक बातचीत नहीं करेंगे तो ये किसान वापसी नहीं जाएगा।
The 6 demands include making MSP based on the comprehensive cost of production formula a legal entitlement of all farmers for all agricultural produce, withdrawal of the Draft Electricity Amendment Bill 2020-21, withdrawal of all cases against farmers, compensation and rehabilitation assistance to the families of 700 farmers who died in the protests, and land at Singhu border to build a memorial in their memory. The letter also asked the government to resume talks with SKM on the above issues. The Union Cabinet, meanwhile, is all set to approve the withdrawal of 3 contentious farm laws during its next meeting on November 24th. After receiving the Cabinet's approval, the proposal to repeal the farm laws will be introduced in the upcoming winter session of Parliament beginning November 29th. At Delhi Singhu border, the Samyukt Kisan Morcha announced they will continue the agitation and hold another meeting on November 27th to decide the future course of action. The announcement came after the farmers' body held a crucial meeting to deliberate on issues including MSP, compensation for farmers who lost their lives during the protests, and withdrawal of cases registered against farmers.